Hi guys, welcome to LC TV. This is a channel where you find so many things, so good things. I don't choose what to do. I don't choose anything that I come across. I have to share with you family. So guys, please like the video, share, give a comment below. Tell me what do you think about this. This is another amazing episode guys. So please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like this video, don't forget guys, share my video, share it, like it, subscribe. If you're new here, please subscribe to this channel. The returning subscriber, may God bless you. The returning viewers, may God bless you. We are doing good guys, we are doing good and I'm happy about it. Actually, we are doing good. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel guys. Don't forget to like this video. It is your amazing channel, LC TV. Thank you guys. Please don't forget to share. Hi guys, welcome to LC TV. Guys, I'm just disappointed today. Very disappointed guys. Working with these people is not that easy that the way you think guys. Can't imagine today. Was there seated waiting to work? All of a sudden, come go, let us go, we are going out with you. I'm so embarrassed. Wow, anyway. It's not easy working with these people. Sometimes they can embarrass you. Sometimes they can, I don't know. Anyway, they're moving you out like that. There's a lot of work in the house. You're supposed to work. So guys, if you work with these people, it need to have a hard heart. If you don't have a hard heart, you can't work with them. You can look now what I'm doing. Look what I'm doing, guys. Can look what I'm doing. You can't imagine guys. Working with them is not that easy. You need to have a strong heart. That's why you can work with them. But if you don't have a strong heart, then it is not easy to work with them. I feel just disappointed. I had not prepared for this. I had not planned for this. I was not prepared early so that I can prepare myself. They have really disorganized my day. Oh my God. But anyway, that is how it is. These people, if you are coming to work with them, make sure you have that hard heart. You can look. Guys, check what I'm doing. Just check what I'm doing. Can't imagine. Can't imagine guys. Let me show you. This is what I'm doing guys. Making baby to swim. Just like that. Just the evening has not been good for me. Just hated it guys. I don't like it anyway. You can see where we are guys. You can see where we are. This is the place where we are now this evening. My day is very disorganized. I don't like it. I'm not happy about it anyway. I'm not happy about it. They have disorganized my day. I'm just here seated with baby. Okay, it's good to make a baby to play. That everything I've left in the house not okay. It's not that good. I had not prepared for this actually. I had not prepared for this. I feel so bad. I feel disorganized. I feel that so many things I was doing is like, I don't know, but can't imagine guys. That's what they do. We come here. I don't always come, but today I had to come. They were supposed to come alone, but I found they just told me that you put on whatever you are putting on, let's go. I said, why? They said that you have to go. So that's how they've just organized me, see what I'm doing now to make sure that the kid is playing with this and whatever. So very bad to me. So the place is so nice. Okay, sometimes it's good to go out and walk and have fresh air because we always sit in the house. we don't go out, we don't move around. Okay, that is it. But actually I was not prepared, guys. I was not prepared. I was held up. I was really held up. I was not prepared for all this. I was held up, guys. But anyway, I have to accept it. I have to accept it. But sometimes when you go somewhere, you are not in moody, you are not prepared, you feel so bad. You just feel so bad because you are not prepared. You are not prepared. You are not prepared actually. But that is it. The place looked nice, smart, and good to sit and take your gahawa, take everything. Actually, the place is very nice. Very nice, very nice. But sometimes it's good when you are prepared. But when you are not prepared, actually, you feel so bad. Because sometimes when you want to go out, okay, I always believe that when you want to go out, you need to wake up, you prepare yourself, you prepare everything, you make sure you should leave things when they are not in a mess. You get it? But when you leave things in a mess, you feel so bad because you go back, you're the only person who are going to do it. Nobody is going to do for you, actually. Nobody is going to do. I'm showing you guys around this place how it look like. You can see, guys, how the place look like. It's very nice, cool. Anyway, I like the place just because I was not prepared, but I like the place look cool, good, and it's a good place that you can come and you sit. And anyway, you enjoy the area. It look nice the way you see, but actually that's what it was. I was not prepared. I had not prepared, so I'm here seated, just having the weather and warming up the weather. But it's not that easy. You can imagine the time I'm spending here. I feel like I feel so bad, guys. I feel so bad. But anyway, before you plan to come in this country, you should be very, very careful and think. Because I feel even tired. I've done nothing, surely. I'm just here making the baby to swing. I wonder who is going to work for me back there in the house. It is me. Actually, I woke up in the morning, I did everything. So I was just about to think of, let me rest something like 1 hour before I continue doing anything else. When I was preparing this, I didn't know what is coming next. What was in the plate? What was in the box prepared for me today? I wonder why. I'm just nervous. I'm nervous, guys. I'm nervous. I'm really nervous, but what do? I chose. But I think it's not that easy. Anybody who is out there, anyone who is there planning to come here to work, actually, you should expect all of this. You should accept. Actually, for like me, I can say that the time I was planning to come this way, I didn't know all about this. By the way, I didn't know all about this. Just come find them here. So it is sometimes tough on my side. I see it to be tough. But oh my God, what do we do? Let's keep pushing. Just giving 2 to 3 words for you that when you come, prepare for anything, any hour, any time. You should prepare anything, anytime. No time that you may think that I'm resting, I don't know what. No. You have to be prepared. Guys, we are back. Yeah, we are back, but I'm very tired. Very tired, you can see. I feel so bad. But all the same, you say, no problem. We have to eat, guys. We are back. And now I want to start my duty. as normal. Yeah, we left everything in a mess, you can see. Guys, thank you for being here for me. You can see how I'm dressing. When you're moving out, when you're going out, you need to dress like this. Put on the black and whatever. I don't cover the face because anyway, I don't not to all of that cover. For me, I don't cover. So that is it, guys. That is it. I'm back. I want to do my job. But anyway, anybody who feel like coming and working to work in this country, just be sure of what I'm passing through. I'm just alerting you psychologically. This happen every time and then. So be alert, be aware of everything is going to happen. Yeah, of everything which is going to happen. So just be alert, be prepared. This all happen like that. They don't, sometimes they don't alert people. They don't tell somebody, prepare yourself, we are going. What they do, they just ambush you and tell you, come, we go. They don't mind what the house look like, how things are look like. But that is all about this. But I thank God for everything. We are back. At least we have not delayed that much. I thought that maybe we are going to delay there, maybe come back at 9. Yeah, but thank God that we are back. Thank you, guys. Guys, thank you. I love you, family, for your support. You always support me. You are here for me. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to share this video. Share to all those people who are willing to come in this Arab country so that they can prepare themselves psychologically. This is just all the matter of preparing yourself psychologically. If you know you don't prepare, you are at least, I don't know, you get pressure. Yeah, this working with them, sometimes you don't control pressure, you come up developing that disease of pressure because they are just ambush you. They don't mind. They don't mind even if you have bathed, you have not bathed, you have showered, you have not showered. They don't mind. All they say, go, go, let's go, we have to go. You know, that is it. How that is the day was today for me. It was not that good. I wasn't that happy about it, but it has happened. It has happened, and I can do sorry for the noise. The kid did not want to come back, but we had to come back because there's a lot of cold outside there, so we cannot go that much until we almost finishing this cold. It is ending, so that's why we could not stay that long because of the cold, and their kids, you know, they don't mind, they don't know what is cold. You just end up seeing them sick, then oh, okay, that is it. That's why you have to come. So that's why the kid is crying, because he was enjoying the place, he was happy about it. All in all, thank you very much for coming. Subscribe to this channel. It is your lady. Subscribe to Lucy TV. Like the video, share the video. Let those people who have not come here, or those who are willing to come here, tell them that, let them prepare themselves psychologically. Yeah, thank you, guys. Subscribe to my channel. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, and put your comment below. How do you think about this? What do you think about this? What do you think about it? Yeah, that is it, guys. That is it. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Lucy TV is your girl, Lucy TV. Subscribe to my channel, like, share, and then anyway, I love you. I love you. Bye. Thank you for watching. That is it. That is life here, and that is how it happens. So sometimes when you're coming here, prepare yourself psychologically, and I feel that it will be okay. But if you don't prepare yourself psychologically, then it might not be good on your, let me say, on your side. But when you prepare it psychologically, everything is okay. Otherwise, I love you. Don't forget to subscribe. Follow me in my next video, and let's know what is in the box. Wow.